Alright guys, see what's going on? You see what's... Oh, so you cast the floor already?
Yeah.
Oh, so I go evening. Oh, chef.
Anyway, Keno, when I first came, I definitely wanted to go to Ivo Spice to taste the breadfruit burgers, which were mwah, mwah, mwah.
Riverside. Look there, goddamn. Oh, chef, you see that? Oh, that Nana. What Toko? Oh my days. Yeah. Oh, I go on. Yeah. What's it? Toko. No, what's Toko? Toko is a really. Yeah. What's it?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well. Good morning. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Welcome to another day, another adventure. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. So right now we're here in Trenchtown, you know, after yesterday, long day, giving out this stuff, sorting out the barrels, long day sorting out the barrel, and giving out this stuff, so as I say, we're doing some work on the shop. So we got the artist here, which is Lady Goose, who's doing the murals, on the shop back, to get it back how it was before, because he's one of the greatest artists you ever see come out of Trenchtown, and literally one of the greatest here in Jamaica, one of the best artwork. He's one of the most artwork then, like literally all over Jamaica, and travel as well to do work and all them stuff, so he's one of the people some work today, so if you come Trenchtown and you go on and First Street, then call the culture yard, you will see the artwork they do with the Marlies them, and all over Trenchtown the work that you see, you will say it's him, so I'm going to show you some work that I'm going right now and everything, so watch where I go on. So guys, so see we have the work here going on, we have the man himself, one of the greatest we ever see come out of Jamaica, but now I say only Trenchtown out of Jamaica, Mr. Robinson himself, Lady Goose, the man that travel the world and paint all underwater and go paint on the rock, when them say Ella Lewis name right underneath the water on the rock, only Lady Goose could have gone and go do it, don't it? He's the only artist right now, but not like guys, but no say so.
Big stone I paint for him. Them name and them just come and just bring them down a seat in our van. I don't know when get that van there,
Yeah, and drop them.
Boy with it. Them man will throw the stone in the water. The name on it. Hey, one thing with L.A. Lewis.
So guys, so this is the before. This is the before. So you're gonna see everything after. We have Rasta Jackson there, go and look and see him. I'm saying Lady Goose is a man we're known for his work over the years, Literally, like he's one of the greatest. He's a legend when he come on to work here in Trenchtown, He's the number one. He's the teacher. So everyone in this place right now, they're the students. So they want to pave the way for who's doing artwork right now in Trenchtown. I'm not I don't talk, When the man do work, it seems like you're looking at the real picture itself, at the real person. You can't touch a person and have a reason with the person and say, what go on? You good? The way it look, Like the Goose himself. So like tell them something man about the work that we always get done.
Yeah man, it's the art. See if your art not clean, it makes sense to try to paint. Because you have to do be like a fraud thing, may I tell you. You have to be clean, man. So I deal with you have to know what you have to. Because some little artists take a paintbrush on them thing there. When you look on them finger or them hold the brush, you know so it's not an artist or a painter.
Yeah.
Yeah man. You have to be an experienced artist or come from way back when, I know today your art is that thing where you learn every day.
Yeah, never stop learning.
Never stop learning art, virgin. See, I know for artists I teach, man. More than 30 or 40 artists.
So how many artwork you think you done in Jamaica?
More than 5,000.
More than 5,000.
I can't count because whole heap of painting I do. Because more time, especially school them I do national heroes. I know say the heroes them are 6 I want a hero.
Yeah.
So I deal with and a whole heap of school I do in Jamaica. St. Thomas, Portland, Ocherios. All of them places. We have Montego Bay, West End down from the Nigel side, and the 14 parish.
The main attraction them is there.
Yeah man, overseas, Belgium, Germany, Holland. Yeah man.
Yeah, that's overseas, Belgium, Holland. You know, yeah. And this man he's been traveling and doing his work for years now, you know. This minute him here, next minute him gone, fly out, gone do artwork somewhere, you know. I don't know if him reach out England yet. You know reach out England yet?
No.
Not yet.
But people request me and things, so I deal with so, you know. And just the time and you know.
Yeah. So you about the great artist over there named Banksy? You mean Banksy? But that man you never see him yet?
No.
You don't go see the work?
Alright, no, so yesterday I get a call from Nigeria. Right now, they're on my phone.
From Nigeria. So you have a job for go to inner Africa?
Yeah, I'm a whole heap of people want me in Africa.
Yeah. Yes, guys.
With all Kanye West.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whole heap of painting for Kanye West.
So you see guys, the lever of this man work, you know, it don't stop here. You know, it don't stop here. When I
talk about Jamaica entertainer.
And that's a Jamaica entertainer as well.
Sizzler, Morgan Heritage, Jimmy Cliff, Marley's Family. Whole heap of entertainer. Top, when I tell you, top icon in a Jamaica. Painful.
Yeah.
So I deal with some of them more time and I remember them name.
Yeah.
Mighty Diamond today, I go up and place for do all them poetry. Yeah, because when it just dead, me them send for do all them picture.
The picture and everything. So guys, as I say, this is the before, you know, I'm just starting, so you're gonna see the after, you know, then you can tell us. So you're gonna have his contact number, everything. So when you see that work, trust me. Anywhere in the world you are, you want your artwork for done here.
The Wall of Fame up by Artaway Drive, National Stadium.
The Wall of Fame?
Yeah.
Is that up by National Stadium, right?
Yeah. All the great people, Merlin, D&M, Donald Quarry, Herb McKinley, George Edley, George Road. All these great people.
Are you the one that done it?
Yeah, man.
See? So all of them great artwork the way you see up by National Stadium, this is the man that done it. And the name of them always done by
M. Robinson.
M. Robinson. So when you look out for the name done by M. Robinson, this is the man.
M. Robinson.
Yeah man, Mr. Robinson himself. Yes. So this is the man. So if you never seen him before, so finally I put a face to the name where you say done by M. Robinson. So you're gonna see what I go on. Right, Jackson?
Yes man. Said yeah man, lie the goose man. That was called lie the goose. Yeah, when a bad man, you can them when a paint you can take out the picture out of the wall. Take him out and one take him out so.
Yeah.
Man, when a bad man, really man. Yes man, when a bad man.
Yeah, I'm bad man over the years, you know.
Over the years man. You see the more man bad like them man. Any more man call a bogus them there. Yeah man.
Yes.
Man a bad man, tell you say you can look like you want to take the man out of the wall and take him off of the board with it bad.
Sure. Where is Jenna?
Ah, Jesus.
Where is it? Like the goose.
Yeah, man. When you look on the man, you're drawing, man.
Different,
brother. You can know, see, the man a draw that, you know.
Yeah.
You see the person with him draw. And then you see on the wall with him draw.
Yeah.
You know, if I'm about, the money now make you if I'm about, brother.
Hello.
Excuse me.
Oh. Hey, what's up?
Coming here, Kino.
You remember them? You remember them the last time they come? Yeah. I should come here, man. I would bring them, go walk up, so up, I will go check. This time until we have paid scanner place.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, man. You remember them, man, all the way from Australia. Hello.
New Zealand.
New Zealand, sorry, New Zealand. Wow, welcome back. Welcome back. You're passing through.
Oh no, we've been here for 3 weeks.
Wow.
Yes.
3 weeks.
And we just come from Ivo Spice.
Okay.
Your favourite hangout?
I was Spice. They told me, oh, you watching them kinos?
Yes, yes. Law saw you at Ivo Spice.
Lou. There's Lou. Wow. Imagine I just was passing through because, you know, they were getting back the logo.
We were here last night at the concert.
We was there. I was there.
Oh,
We and the team was
we
there.
saw Welsh Chef. I was looking for you,
Hey, what's up?
Back again.
Back again. Jackson. Jackson, remember that hug there?
Gee, this is good timing to catch you, Keno.
Yeah, because I was just about to leave as well.
To go where?
No, because I was passing through because I was doing some work
Yeah.
and everything. So I'm just going to grab some stuff on the road and then come back.
All right.
So where are you heading to now?
Taking our friend to Culture Yard.
Oh, going to Culture Yard.
Yeah.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
Yes. Well, we came back for Bob's Earth Strong.
Yeah, I know.
His 80th Earth Strong.
Yeah,
Yeah.
We were there last night, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Oh no, I was looking around for you.
Yeah, it was
I
at the
said
back.
to my sister, look for the tall person.
Well, guess what? I wasn't the tallest one there.
All right.
So it's going to be hard to find. Yeah, so
Tonight,
Oh,
tonight.
down there, greater tonight. They're keeping other stuff there tonight, you know.
all right.
Same place. What's it, dance all night tonight? It's dancing. A lot of artists
Oh,
coming
but
through.
we're going
Okay.
after this.
You remember the artwork that you see down by Culture Yard?
Yeah?
This is him.
Oh, that's the artist.
Yeah, this is him that done the artwork.
Oh.
Remember the photo he take with the one love? This is him.
Hello, Michael Robertson.
Yeah, I'm the artist from the community.
Oh, very talented.
Yeah, M. Robinson, whenever you walk
Yes,
around.
yes,
you-
yes.
Yeah.
Very, very talented.
She did take some picture with Bob Marley, One Love Is. Remember
Yeah,
that one
yeah,
First
yeah,
Street?
yeah.
That's him.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's him there, you know.
Now,
Wow.
Keno, you know, because you said did a car crash into there?
Yeah, the car crashed.
And you know your picture,
Yeah.
I saw you do something because I think you needed ply.
Yeah.
So you used your picture. I thought,
Yeah,
that would have been a good thing to keep
I know.
as a piece of artwork.
I know, true. That's so true. That's so true. So see, we're getting it back up and running now, you know,
Yeah,
by the great man himself.
yeah.
So, so this one now, when you come back and you see this, or when you watch it on the video, you're gonna like, wow,
Wow.
you know, you're gonna like, wow, trust me.
Did you enjoy your holiday, Keno?
Yeah, I did.
It was very long.
And that wasn't long.
Was
I
a
think
month.
yeah, I think that was short. That went
You were
so.
gone for too long.
That was too long. Listen,
Wasn't happy, Keno.
she wasn't happy.
Was not happy.
I'm sorry.
No,
Well,
but I
listen,
know you deserved your long break.
yeah,
Keno.
listen,
you
I
deserved a long
think it was
holiday.
so short. Time fly past so quick.
Yeah,
You know, I was like,
Yeah.
damn, it should have been longer.
yeah. No, I know you deserved that holiday.
Yeah.
But now, what's happening for this year? Because I remember
Mm-hmm.
after Woe Chef's house,
Yeah,
you were supposed to do
our bathroom.
yeah,
And you have Rasta
And then
Jackson
Rasta
place.
Jackson's.
And you have Boom.
yeah,
You have Talpi.
yeah.
So that's
So the next project is going to be
yeah,
Jenna Jealous.
bathroom.
Yes.
Because they only we need a bathroom, right, Jenna? It's a bathroom, she said. So that
when is it?
bathroom will take a quick thing.
So when are you going to start that?
Soon as possible.
Oh, good.
Soon.
I love it. I love it when you guys are working.
Yeah,
Start working. That's the part I really love.
yeah. The work, right?
Yes.
That is the best part. Everyone
Best
like to
part.
see the work.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So it always start when the time is right.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
Trust me. When the energy is there, that's
Yeah.
what everybody says. Let's do it.
Yeah. And I like seeing all the team members together. Yeah.
But some of them is like doing some nothing on the road,
Yeah.
making ends meet
Yes,
and everything. So we're trying to get the shop up and running so we can also cook for the elders them as
Yes,
well
yes,
because
yes.
we haven't done that. So inside needs some more tidying up and painting as well inside.
Yeah.
We want to get it back, to a standard.
Yeah.
It's kitchen.
Yeah.
So it have to be up to a standard.
Yeah.
So we have to get that like that. So first we want to paint inside and finish, and start up and running.
So do you have to find a new builder?
A builder?
You know how you had Natural?
Yeah. Yeah, well, that same guy we see there, he was coming around giving us a strength, was paying him.
Yeah.
And we have Baja that is back now. But
I'm so happy to see Baja.
Baja is working as well too,
Yeah.
so we're not gonna really get the full time that we're gonna need, but anytime we can get, we work with it. So we're gonna try and balance it.
Yes.
If he's not around, we get someone to can come fill in, so we don't make anything stay too long, drag it out too much.
Yeah.
So that's the best thing. But he's busy doing other work, so that's the thing right now. So we have to just work with the time that we got.
So Kino, really for this year, 2025, you've got little projects for the team members, focusing on the team members. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. And it's not much, so it's
That's
only
good.
them and you have third P projects, we need strength, and we have boom. So boom say need bathroom, so at least it's not so big. Probably Rasta Jackson one is the major one.
Yeah.
Like a Wow Chef one.
Yeah.
Because you can see theme place literally.
Yeah.
Gonna take more time.
Yeah.
So but once we have the builder around and we have everything in hand, then we can, move along.
Yeah.
So we don't want it to drag out for too long like it was before.
Anyway, Kino, when I first came, 'cause I definitely wanted to go to Ivo Spice to taste the breadfruit burgers, which were delicious.
Okay.
So every day I'd go in and I'd see Roy behind the counter.
Yeah.
I'd say, Roy, has Kino been in today?
Yeah.
He goes, no. And then today, I said, Roy, has Kino been in today? He said he came in yesterday.
Yeah.
He said he came in yesterday.
Yeah,
and he said he's got to come back to get the barrels. I said, that's right, I remember the
Yeah,
barrels.
I was there yesterday.
Yeah.
I went to get my breadfruit burger yesterday. It is nice, right? Hey.
Delicious.
Delicious. Ivo Spice.
I even tried asking Roy for the recipe.
He's not going to tell you?
I have to try and ask. Because it's just
It was too good.
Too good.
It was too good.
Absolutely
And
delicious.
you can't eat only one.
I know. I've got a spare one in the car.
I said
For later.
For later, you can't eat one. You tried the polenta burger?
I did.
You like that one as well?
Yes.
He's so good, man. He's
good.
He's talented.
Very He is a food god.
Yes.
Ivo is a food god.
Yes, trust me. He's off this rock, when it comes on to food. When you taste it, you're like, damn. Even when you eat the food itself, the batch food, like the taste is just different. I don't know where you get this touch, but the food is
Now,
different.
Kino, I'm going to try it next time I come back, probably next week.
Yeah.
Because I heard you talk about, is it called the chocolate and busy tea?
Yes, you need to try that.
Is it sweet?
No.
Is it milky?
No, because it's a natural chocolate.
Yeah.
I know busy that cure like any disease, anything at all together.
Yeah.
No sweetener, but it does taste so good.
Okay.
And it's good.
Yes.
So good for you.
And I know you had the herbal aid,
Yes.
but every time I order it, it's finished.
Finish. And I had one yesterday. I had two yesterday. I had 2 herbal aid yesterday. Herbal aid, it's so good. It's like lemonade. But I use vervine and fever grass, and that bush to make it. I use honey to sweeten them. I'm telling you, it's like you're drinking lemonade when the sun is so hot. Oh yeah, man.
I'm so glad because we were just trying by luck. I said, drive past through Third Street. I want to see if Kino's there.
Wow.
And the team.
And the team. Rasta Jackson just coming from work, as usual, And Jenna, as you can see, the work is going on there.
So does that mean Boom is going to be finished work soon?
Yeah, well, hopefully. Because Boom is just after 2. So Boom probably like 3 o'clock. And you probably, if you're driving down the road, you might see him walking up. But if not, you get this by Ivo Spice? Look, look, he's here. He's gonna live long, so that means he's over already. Yo, your name you're calling out, just calling your name. See ya.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah, bless me, one love.
You just finished work again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Pet.
Pat.
Say pet.
Pat.
Oh, how do you pet? Okay. I'm good. How's Miss Gloria and Tommy? Are they good? So far, she went to dress fully. Oh.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Print the picture?
Yeah, over from 4th Street.
I'm seeing you again, John.
So the one I'm saying you can't from the phone?
Yeah, I'm trying to work from the phone, but
Better.
just hold it up. Now, Queen.
See you again, Bob.
Yeah, take care.
Take care. Oh, I'm so happy to see you.
Alright then, take care. Yeah, alright. Take care, man.
See you again.
Alright then.
Next time. Next time. You guys take care.
Yeah, same to you.
Alright, good day guys. Well. This is the next day. I'm gonna give you a update on the shop, you know, and the artwork that the artist is doing. Alright, so let me give you a quick update. You know, literally next day, you know. Tell me what you think. Yeah. Ah. So yes, I mean that. Ami. Yes, I like the key, you know that.
Yeah, man. Original virgin.
Jella, who this? Yes, I mean that, Jella.
I really, I can just take you off and put it right there. Tell about him, you know. Tell about him, you know, that.
Yeah. Just take me up and put me right there and say, yo, that's where.
You're not key, you know.
Yes, I mean that. Can't hide. Can't hide. Them say we that. We will just. You know, life in J. Hey. friend in need is a friend indeed. Yeah, me I come there. You say I come draw something. Yeah, you
I want you more Irish by the first one.
united we stand, divided we fall.
Trying to for this side the first one.
This look more official
I
still.
got said this nice time I like this.
Yeah, this more official.
Yeah.
Official, you know. Alright, the goose. So we'll get the black paint now for paint. And that's all the black paint. The door now for paint as well too. You know, so he says it's coming back as well. Yes guys, as you can see, you know, the man done a great job, you know, the art man done a great job, you know, so he says he's gonna come back on next week, you know, to do another mural. He's gonna draw one chef, you know. Yeah man, so we give thanks, you know. So right now guys, we got some stuff, you know, from the barrels that we're gonna take to the Cranberry family. You know, that's where we're gonna head to right now. You know, because some stuff was in the barrel for them, you know, from also from Angela, you know, and others. So we're gonna pack them in a blue bag and then head up that side right now. Oi! Kino life in Jamaica. We here, we no faker. Right? Tell me what you think. A Kino this? A Kino that Esther?
No, a Bambino.
A Bambino. Oh, chef, you say a Kino that?
Yeah, man, Kino. Original Kino that man.
Yeah.
Kino Bambina, so it. Oh,
Yeah.
Bambina your name now.
I follow
One
Esther.
life in Jamaica, you know. Yeah, man, you see.
So, Barney, where say I eat?
I eat, man. Come look on it, man. Stop and look on it, man. I eat, man.
Look like me.
Yeah, look, see me, man. Identical thing.
Yeah, ja.
True, man.
Only the camera can't see it. Camera can't see it. Hey. Yeah. Where's me?
Are you?
Tell me for me. Esther say me. Everybody say me. Identical. So I'm a twin. I'm a twin. Nick! Them say that's my twin, you know, so you tell me what you think. Leave it in the comment section. Leave that in the comment section. Alright, so I'm gonna get a bag. Nick! Run away! Where you run away?
Alright, yeah.
Is it your voice?
Yeah, voice.
Gear, they have voice. Roll on top of a voice, something. You're rolling up something. One of them. Oh, chef, come hold this for me there.
You want to fire new pants? Come out,
Oh, you know, sir. Yeah, these two as well. Enough for Canada. Esther, what's your like? Can I tell for the boomer?
Boomer.
Remember that for boomer? Then they're from our love. Yeah. Yeah, this is the food stuff. Oh, that's the food stuff. I've been careful for myself. This is the food stuff. Boom. Oh, boom there. Boom there. Oh, she boom there. Okay, go yard. This is the clothes them and stuff. Just put it up. Yeah, put it up there. Oh, she ever beat the R love, but I'm now beat the top.
Oh, the top will beat it later, and I beat it down so.
Don't worry.
Park, you know, later.
So you have your clothes up now for later.
Yeah, man, later I beat the top. You see me, I say, watch your face, man, guy, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, so born in the coming out with a shoulder across the river, and you're going to more stuff.
So the Hamilton where that tell boom about. The Hamilton where that tell boom
Oh,
about.
the Hamilton beach, them Brennan. And Black and Decker.
Yeah.
You want to
Boy, hold on a minute. What are we doing? The black. I will wash up the next blender. Wash up. Can I hold this on top of that? The blender. Put the blender on top.
One a bag.
I'll wait in the food stuff.
I want to bring the blender, I'm bring that. Yeah.
Alright, go on then. So, how you going to bring that? Well, everything now.
No, man, Esther. Put it, lock it. No, lock it down.
Lock it.
Yeah, man, hold it in the bag. No, man, hold it in the back, man. Hold it. In the blender.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, crunchy mood. When me come park, people are going. Could I get the spot? No, but I move now.
Got a real country style.
Real country style. I feel cool though. Yeah, I feel a cool breeze up here.
No, you can't fit up.
Yeah. Right guys, so we just touched down in Miami River, not Miami River. It's so like Miami River. At Miami River. Yeah. You know, so yeah man, so we have to give thanks to Angela, you know, for these stuffs, and also Radar, you know, we did find the stuff them Radar. Our love, we did find the stuff them for the kids them, and they got some food stuff as well too. You know, so making that mission over there. Esther look like a real country girl with that on her head. Boomer and Worship look like a real Jamaican man them from down in the hills. Carrying the pounds of this, of Callaloo. Yeah. Yeah, that's like a bag up too. Now go up there, sir. Yeah. Yeah, so. Yeah, walking so.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, walking so. Yes, you walking so. But you don't I walk across there so. You walk here so. Yeah, the water here so. And they just walk up the so for the yard.
careful.
No, I'm in Shatter. You can't walk the sister. Yeah. Go on. I say if Boomer down there. Yeah, come have this for him. Yeah. Cranberry! Oh, the daddy there. You're good man, then now buy it.
You don't eat love ice. Ese magalo.
Alright. Ah, but general. Pick up yourself to the money himself. Work never stops. Like what's going on, you know? Hello, Nana. Hello, Toko. How you doing? What you look for? Where you lost your shadow?
I'm going back.
Where you lost your shadow? You're going back for? Toko, you was in the water. Nana was in the water. 24/7s, you was in the water.
No, I'm not going in the water from mommy.
Toko, a ninja, man. Yeah, man. Toko, a real ninja. Hello. Alright, guys, see what's going on? You see what's. Oh, so you cast the floor already? Yeah. Oh, so I go. Evening. Oh, chef. Boom, I forward there.
Like a boom in the place when I lie.
Come in, man.
Let me bite you, man.
That was JAMAICA.
Oh, El Brunisan.
You know somebody they see like that really sad?
Yeah?
Yeah, when you subscribe at the end of Come River and she said Cranberry she come river and she come.
Yeah.
She come to Cranberry and one of another friend also come, one white lady.
Oh.
Yeah, stop Boma.
Boma. Ah, blessed. Vagwan. Bring something for you now.
A boom my name here.
Yeah, so you have boom. You got boom. And you have the boomer.
Yeah, man. Well, explosion.
Bring something for you now.
Give thanks. A blessing.
That's right. I hope I your size. Check it now, you can check it and see if I your size. Because I said, you know, boomer. You're small, you know?
Him not no weight, him not carry no weight.
I will wait at the size. Yeah. At the height of life, man.
Alright. You're a blessing, man.
Small like you, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know. Yeah, man. Blessing.
Alright.
See, that me I go throw in a pot, you know.
Where you say, one?
Yeah, man.
A snapper?
Oh. I walk off half it already.
I'll leave back off.
Yeah. It was a big boy, you know.
Yeah, you can see,
yo,
man.
I'm not agree with the face. I see, watch it. And what's money the next half share for? About 5 a week, you know.
Yeah.
The head part.
Alone.
I say, you know. Yeah.
That's like the wow chef. When the man there cook and put the smallest part, trust me.
Yeah.
Share for a lot of people.
Yeah, man. Brother, man. I show, come take a dip.
Go and take a dip, man.
I look what I want to be done, man. Come see look.
Yeah.
See Boma.
I know Boom want to take a dip too.
Dip.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You never prepare for that, but I talk.
Many.
A whole day something.
Yeah.
A whole day something.
So come back on the beach, man. Boma, man. You see one day again, man.
Alright then. No.
As usual.
Alright guys, as you can see what's going on, you know, the floor already cast, you know, concrete cast out and everything, level with the house, join on with the house and everything. Yeah, that's good. It's a good look.
Just so we finish the roofing today, because we did our roof and just all come.
Yeah, the roof. Yeah, I'm seeing put up some more. I start putting the thing ready for the window.
Yeah. Just say the girls end up wash the window then. And just have a put them in.
Oh.
And just the window there, we have to put in the other window frame. So I cut it and put in the other window frame. And then that's it.
Okay. Oh, so these are the blades for the window. Oh. Like what go on, you know? Father ain't playing.
Me, Lord.
So I bring some stuff here for you, no? Cranberry, come here. Come, Miss Cranberry. I bring some stuff here for you ladies. some clothes and towels and stuff, you know. Yes. And we have over here we have a food bag. Look in here, so one blender. You can blend?
Yeah.
You can blend? Take out the blender. Yeah, and got a cup soups in there. Wow.
You can blend something already, Mama.
So you have cup soups and them stuff in there as well too. Right. Sachets and everything in there.
So much up here for this.
And someone sent it from over there.
So much
Hello. This came down in the barrels. In the barrels, yeah. Yeah. And you have towels in there as well to phone as well too. You know, these type of towels and clothes. You can see in the bag. You know, and this. Then mango juice and stuff. So mommy, you can take up that as well too. That's a plate set. This guy is over here back with the family, you know, so we want to give thanks, we want to give thanks, we want to give thanks. So mommy, come with the blender in your hand. What is something? Cranberry, you take up this in your hand. How are that? The plate set, you can manage? Try. With the blender in your hand. Let me see. So this blender and stuff is from Angela. You know, Angela from the US. You know. So you want to thank Angela, I want to also thank Arlov, you know. So you got some clothes in there as well too, and the food stuff then that will pack the barrel.
Arlov, thank you so much. And
Angela.
God bless you, Angela. And may God bless you and make your food basket never run dry. And thank you so much.
Yes, so it's really a blessing. Alright, Cranberry, good smile, you gonna blend?
Yeah.
What you gonna blend?
Juice?
Juice?
We have mango already.
Hey, so blend, so Dana you can blend too? And so the daddy are coming up, Pops, because we not like people them like what I go on, you see me? So we like the way you're putting in the work, you know, because I tell you this, a lot of people get the opportunity and this program them kind of mess it up, you understand? Because I realize when people are reach out, it's not because they're rich. They must have a giving heart because they see the situation, you know. I'm like, whatever way to just continue because you see the need also, you know, and you know it's the right thing. I would know say your foot now 100, you know, and you still have put in the work, see me, you know. And we like that. Extended family, them love that, you know. Them want to say your hats off to you, you know, and continue the good work, see me where I do, you know, because trust me, really general, you know. Yeah.
Thanks for the strength, man. Only for strength, man. Give thanks to it, man.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks for the strength, man. So
this only encourage more people who can want to help because them see art, then they making use, you know. So people really love the family and like what going on, you see me. And the man always say, you must tell us, say, Papi, no more kids. They said no more. They said no more. Never just make the stand. Esther, give me the donation from here, you know. I would like what I go on because trust me, beautiful family and everything, you know. Peer girls. And a good thing you have the talent we can do this as well. You know, so save the labor cost and anything else, you know, so we can just work through. Yes, so we can just work through. Yeah, man, I would like what I go on. So you're going to put in the winner them next?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I never go in there now.
Yeah.
Put in on there for fun.
Okay. So we're short on right now? Like?
I don't mean to say I'm in the shop and nothing, just to slow because I don't say them are done.
Yeah.
I do what I have to do, so I just paint and you know, so I finish it up. I just pick up the window and do what we have to do already.
Yeah.
I just paint and so, but otherwise everything nice and all, man.
Okay.
Everything nice and all, man. So you always think about the finish,
yeah. So you go make up a bathroom as well?
Yeah, I mean that's I really want to change it up. I don't want to move all down the bathroom down there and put it on there, so you know.
Yeah.
And move all the kitchen from there, put it on there, so
Okay. So they put the kitchen right in front there, so.
Yeah, no, over here, so. See when I come dig down the back there, someone just dig it in, go a little bit more. All it see we can see the net there, so.
Yeah.
Just come across here and carry it out to the kitchen, yeah, so all the cover and me up there, so.
Okay.
And you light it out of the place, see we
Yes. Okay. And just put join the bathroom to the house and everything. It's a good look, you know. And I say we're there, you know, the extended family is here to help you step by step, you know, along the way. Because we know like them really, the family will inspire a lot of people for know, so yo, the situation, but yet we're still a happy family same way, you know. I mean, I always say, maybe because it's surrounded by the nature.
Yeah.
You know, and the nature vibes, man, you know. So we have a donation here for Cranberry from Unknown, $10,000 from Unknown from the USA.
Unknown, thank you from the USA so much, and may God bless you and make your food basket never run dry.
You want?
From the USA, thank you so much.
Cranberry, you want to thank Unknown?
What's your name?
Unknown.
Unknown. Thank you so much. Your basket never empty.
Alright, so Cranberry, so she got blend mango. So she have mango already?
She go for more.
Yeah.
Going to bottom yard.
Okay.
Near Hammer.
So we say she's for the kitchen there right now. They're gonna move in.
Yeah. We're going to bring it on and then just.
So you're at this of the bathroom I got there?
No, they were just, no, not really this, it's a move over from that side.
Oh.
Same like when you see me just,
No?
yeah.
Okay.
Put it same place, but I see
So basically you have to go come outside to go and use the bathroom?
No, I everything I'm gonna one cover, you know.
Oh, I put now one cover?
Yeah.
Okay, so that
mean, give me that more care that this
Yeah.
will just go more. I see a place this set I got.
Okay, I was wondering, yeah.
Like,
These are the plate sets, right?
yeah. You have the big one, the bowl, and this. So
Yeah. And you have the food stuff in there. And you have some things in the back there, you know?
I'm not taking it out. Make your mommy take them out.
You're not ready for come out yet?
Yeah.
You're not ready for come out yet? You have a sheet set in there as well too. And we have to give thanks to Angela, you know what I'm saying? Our love, big up yourself, our love, you know, we thank you so much as well to Angela, you know, we thank each and every one of our extended family. We thank you so much for reaching out to helping this wonderful family, because you can see, you know, we are one, you know, we're not separate, so we are showing the same love across the board, you know, we are here for each other, you know, and the strength is always there to give each other what we can give, you know. I would thank you so much for the act of kindness to reaching out for the Cranberry family, you know. That's what the name of the Cranberry family is. Yeah, man, it's a blessings, you know. And you, Miss Ninja, when I stop talk about how Toko can jump, you know. She can run, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, Toko, she's a ninja. Yeah, man, she had a rough one. Yeah, man, quick and fast, this is going to finish. Quick and fast, you know, quick and fast, you know. Oh. So you have enough zinc for cover up the rest?
Yeah, man. I mean, just make one buy them, serious of them.
Okay. And the door, you have the door already now?
Yeah, that's the door for put on. Just the lock, I never want to lock for the door.
Oh, yet?
Yeah, just, yeah.
Oh. So you say you got to dig off the wall more?
Yeah, just here, I cut it in more, man. So that means I will walk right through everything is supposed to walk right through.
Oh, okay, yeah. But the place cool to them, and all lie. They feel different to the up here, though. Some rainfall? Rainfall?
No, the rainfall.
Yeah, places feel differently cool tonight. No, like. They also listen to that nature vibes, then I tell you.
Yeah.
It's life, you know.
Fresh breeze.
Fresh breeze, guys, I tell you. The view is nice, the nature, the life, everything is right. Trust me. Esther, may I get one drink and come back? Let me go see you. Guys, lovely, lovely, lovely place. Oh, you pull out your ear already?
Me water pull on me ear. Tell the water pull on me ear, you know?
You water pull it out?
My mother pretty small and me go in the water and one little boy dip in the water and my mother said, lie me a turn. And she said, tell the truth, me not gonna beat you. And I tell her the truth and say, mommy, the water pull on me ear.
Yeah.
But you know when you ask
Okay, go and put on your top.
yeah, go swim.
You go swim again? Oh
You
gosh.
swim, daddy?
No, I'm not bringing no swimming clothes.
Daddy.
I'm not bringing no swimming clothes.
Want you swim.
Next time, I'm not bringing no swimming clothes. Who tell you I can't swim?
You can't swim, go ahead.
Suppose I go drown, you can't save me?
Yeah.
How you gonna save me?
We just jump off and save you good.
Hey.
That's very funny.
Give my phone, no, miss.
Don't see you next one and I bring next one today.
One now, no, me have it, man. Sasha go swim. You want to see her swim? A big swimmer. But Toko, how much time you going to swim for the day? 5? Oh, you are the biggest swimmer?
Yeah, in diver.
But Toko, these such a ninja. How far you not go swim? The dog is going to swim too? Oh, she a puppy?
That's why she runs the bully. She a puppy of her something with summer. Chris know too. You have to use nice stuff. That's what I'm doing. Yes, she walk a come.
She walk a come. There, man. What about man, what's in the kitchen or the fish? The swim around. Oh yeah, what kind of food you do? Dumpling. Alright, we do some oats dumpling. Remember the oats dumpling make a taste? Yeah. We done some of that again, man. Boy, I tell them. Cheers. Riverside. Look there, goddamn. Whoa, chef, you see that? Who that, Nana? What Toko? Oh my days! Yeah. Oh, I go on. Yeah. What's it? Toko. No, what's Toko? Toko is a really. Yeah. What's it? Esther, Toko a real ninja, you know. Toko. Esther, Toko is something else. Look, Toko a swimmer, man. Look. The baby can't swim too?
I don't want to know what it is.
Yeah. That's Toko. Esther, you want to Toko jump up for yourself? Yeah. Hey. Esther, Toko rough, you know? Watch her, watch Toko now, watch her. Esther Toko rough. Look.
Your white friend, come. You can't come too? Hey, go on to my white friend. That's sorry, daddy.
Piena, she's coming, Nana.
Nana, come in, come. Yeah, come look for them, so they want to.
Oh. Yeah, look there.
Stand up, go. Stand up.
No, sir. Them different up here. Yeah. Cranberry. Just wait now, she's coming. Wait, she's coming. Wait. Where you going? Hey, is it Toko? A real ninja. Guys, she's so fun. Hey guys, talk a real swimmer. Watch it. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Hey guys, may I tell you, Toko, she is something else. I'm telling you. She is something else. She's so rough. You know? She's so rough. You, Miss Toko. No, sir. I talk on the mix, man. Hush. She can't swim? Can she swim, yeah? Toko, why you pull them off, Toko? Hey, Toko is like a tomboy. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, the way these kids enjoy themselves up here, trust me. The way them enjoy themselves, it's a joy, you know, such a joy. You know, Toko, she really surprised me a lot, boy. She's rough. You know, them little tomboy growing up, yeah, she's rough. I couldn't believe him, she run and jump off the rock. I'm like, oh my days. Like, literally, she jumped off the rock. I couldn't believe her. Up here is cool though. Cool. Bam to her. Look here, look here. Talk her back float. Look here. Talk her back short. What's your old chef? Talk her, do it again, do it again. Yeah. Look at talk her back swim. Yes, sir. Talk a big swimmer. No star. Yo, Talker is a little shark. No, No man, Talker better. Talker. No sir. Yo, Talker. Boom. Boom. Hey, she bad. She needs to join the swim team. Seriously. Come now. Yeah. Look. Yeah, she needs, I guess, guys, look like she is. She needs to join the swim team. Yo, talk about it, you know. But even me. Oh, sir. Yeah. I know water, Shaban. No, sir. Listen, we need to make sure you join the swim team. Seriously. Talk.
You know what I mean, teacher?
Yo, she a backstroke. She had to talk around and jump up there, so I couldn't even believe. No, sir. Boom. Boy, boom, I'm not lie. It's in life. It's where you're born sometime. It defines who the person who is. Because if you're growing up in a rural area like this, around the river and everything nature, them adapt to it so good. The swimming, like
everywhere still look, I can find it from
that music, yeah. Without Jamaica, yeah.
Growing at it, daytime.
Yeah. Listen, them she surprised me, man. I like.
The
little baby can swim too. I the lady I said little baby can swim.
Yeah.
Like Jano. Yeah, man. That is the life, woman. Nature life. Yeah. So we have over here. Call me dumpling. Yeah. That's how woman doing it. That's how we're doing it. We're not alive. Look. The nature vibe. You drink something, Papi? Okay, good. Oh boy. Life, you know? So we go check. Yeah, talk about. Watch it, look at the way she run on them stone here. The way she run on the stone them. Especially at night time when she had jump the river. No sir. Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah. Toko, she really surprised me, boy. I'm not even lying. She really surprised me. But as I can see, the house, the father's doing a wonderful job. You know, him cast the floor already. You know, the floor already cast. So he's gonna finish off. He's already got the door, you know, to go on, and he's got the windows where he's sorting out as well too. So that is really good. You know, the zincs, them, everything is here. So we just want to thank you guys so much. You know, thank you for helping out the family. You know, it's really a blessing. You know, it's really a blessing. So Esther is here. So make them know Esther. We thank them, you know.
For true, because I'm impressed me.
Yeah.
Because the same one I'm foot. No good.
And I'm still putting in the work. Of course.
Surprise.
And Esther them been asking how comes you're not doing any YouTube anymore.
I have a whole heap of work I do. Tell them like, you know, I have work on his application. Them time my area. Yeah. The kids them have to fly out, so
she have a lot of work to do, guys. Really, she really do have a lot of work to do, you know. So remember, YouTube is not her full-time. Esther have a job where she deal with kids. You know, that's her full-time thing. And so and kids, as I just said, kids hard sometimes to deal with.
Say 4 times for the week.
Yeah. So guys, you know, say Esther never know about pine, you know. Just like me myself, you know. I used to think that pine grow underground. You know, to when we see the pine.
When it ready, or them gonna know something say it gonna grow up.
Yeah.
And gonna say up on top. I never seen pine, I swear.
Esther thing say the pine grow under the ground, you know. Well, I used to think the same as well, too, you know. So I'm not gonna say yo, I'm not gonna laugh.
And what? I know I think that you know, look on the top part and you go buy pine. I say look.
Yeah, I say look.
Some of the things say.
Yeah.
And I just want to.
Then when you see it push out right yourself.
One I got from out?
Yeah, just one.
Really?
You see it push out.
One.
Yeah. And it's pretty, you know, when it come up, it does pretty, it does look nice, you know. Yeah. So the view, guys, let's look at the view. Yeah. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view. So up there is Jackson.
Jackson?
Yeah. That's where up by the mall is them, you know, that's where you go to Dub Club. So that's the top that you're looking at right there. That's up by Jackson there. Jackson.
My flowers are fit my outfit.
Yeah. Yeah?
My flowers are fit my outfit.
That style is bad. That's what them used to reckon, you know. Alright then, guys, so stay tuned, you know. Yeah. Alright, stay tuned, guys. So we're gonna catch up, you know. So we're gonna head down. We're gonna stop off at our subscriber way. She said in breadfruit and fish. You know, so we'll stop and give her a support and buy a piece of breadfruit and eat a piece of fish. You know, because, you know, she was watching my program and she said, Kino, more come give me alcohol support, you know, so nothing is wrong with giving, you know. Yeah, man. Cranberry family house. Yeah. So we're there.
They are beef one stop, yeah.
Right name?
Beef, my name. Look, see there. You can see what they call the picture this.
Yeah.
Bring it up on the spotlight.
Chill spot.
Yeah.
Beep, chill spot.
Surviving the day, you see it? Yeah.
Surviving the day. So we're doing the night, you know, surviving at the night too.
Once you survive the day, you go through the night, you know.
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
Once you survive the day, you go through the night. You see, yes, some of that go on to look at juggling. And you know, so, some get help, some have to help themselves. And me, I one of them who like help myself and see other people get help. Because I help too, you know, I have a look man up the gun boat, you know. When I'm ready, I have a vehicle for the pack grocery and drive boat, they go give me, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, we go give him a package, you know, because I think him gone, so we go check him Wednesday. So Sunday we have a package out, they go give him. Yeah, man. Sunday we have a package out, they go
give him. Good, man.
Yeah, man. It's not too small, you know. We give back in my youth.
Sure.
Now, care, look here, have it, you can give back something. Yeah. Caring and sharing, that's a great thing. Yeah. Caring and sharing.
So you and Cranberry them related?
Yeah. I'm a little brother. But you may not have much helping right now, the real way about. Me do look at something for you.
Oh, Cranberry's stepfather?
Yeah.
Is your brother?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the
Georgie.
Georgie.
But the other three, I'm a niece. Them what me just say four of them are my niece.
Yeah.
She call me.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, like the books what I do for them, I love it.
Yes.
I love it. Cause if me in a position, me that help
them. I love it.
Love it. Straight out, me I tell you. Yeah, me love it, me own. God have a bless you.
So, man.
Yeah, man, God have a bless you. I love it.
Step on the beef.
Yeah, beef.
We have the fish. And we have whoa chef jerk back.
Yeah, man.
Whoa, you know, jerk chicken back. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa chef flavor.
Yeah, man. What if I catch up there, you? I can't buy for catch up.
Esther said she want the jerk back. So this is the beef one stop.
Yeah.
So this is when you're coming from, literally, you're coming from by Cranberry, then just right on the side coming down. Yeah. On the side coming down, you know, so. These are Cranberry family, Cranberry auntie, you know, the kids them, this is their auntie, so just pass. I'm telling you to give her support, you know, so you know we support each other. Because they're the same one family, you know, so. And she also will give back as well, so she has the art of giving same way, so.
Yeah, man.
So right now we are buying.
Old man out, so we take care of man. Yeah, buy me for something water, because you know up on the beach him live.
Yeah.
So we buying water and then something like that go do you.
So what's your chicken back then already at wow?
Tell them, man.
Wow, chicken back then already yet, you know, isn't it? So the one in the fire ready?
Yeah, that one.
Oh, one piece.
One piece,
So you share one piece it. Yes, I'm gonna get the one piece.
Shark fish, you can give me fish, man.
Yeah. If we get Esther the back and give Osha the fish and done then.
Alright, yeah. The package of 5 bills, we not go there. 4 bills, $50 for bread food. We not go hard. Get the people from me, I tell you. $400 my baby.
Okay.
I would have fried to and then something there. Bread food was fast.
Yeah. Fish and chips.
I'm gonna put no salt. If you don't want more salt, you put salt here.
Okay.
When it's fresh, it can't salt, but when it's salt, it can't dilute.
Yeah.
Same way, so. I want to cook up on it too, though.
Yeah.
Cucumber pickle.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I wrap it up, man. You want to cover?
Yeah. She don't want no pick up on camera, that one. Put some of the juice over the that. Yeah.
Juice pepperino. Oh. You might get one of this. Me I share you in different. That's why you don't want to know. Alright, my baby.
Wow.
No, I run out of napkin. So I don't know where I go. Askel. I want to find me that Askel. I work towards and look at deep freeze. You don't have? Come out and the juice them now so cool.
Yeah.
So me have to buy the ice and the ice is stress you out more while you buy ice
every time, though.
Yeah, so me work towards the fridge. So not a dollar.
Yeah.
The fridge. Alright, that's right to go.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you do something else you do for your car.
Sure.
Yeah, and a purpose. Yeah.
Here's a boom.
Come here, the breadfruit them to mama. So I do the fish them and collect to mama over here. Yes, my baby.
Come, Macabak. Guy, I'm going to feed off my face, yeah?
Right through the day, my dear. Right through the weed. Right through the weed. I back the fish to buy and the bag that stick back in the way time I find the bag. A jump sticking up.
Yeah.
The leg. Yeah. Collect me here now to everything. 5, 10, 15, 20.
Back. Oh, chicken butt done already, sir. Where you get? It's invisible.
Wanna not go up with the pan?
Oh gosh.
It go fast, man. It go fast.
The chicken butt there. Chicken already yet.
So when I reach for me, just
once it wrap up in the
send out for the pan and pan and
yeah. Oh, good.
The picoonut, not the picoonut yet, but don't rasta. Yeah, give me one back.
I'm too already, man.
Everything. Too hot, I'm going to body, man. Everything.
I'll play at bongs. Oh, you
If you
finish.
go to jump, when you come with content, they remember the jump, metal jump. If you go to jump,
Okay.
the jump, them are going to use the
Jerk pan.
Yeah.
Guys, so anyway, when I finish, I will pick out the fish bone. So, yeah, man, that's Tapa Gap. You know? Yeah, fish bone. Yes, guys, so blessed love. So, you know, the thing goes on. We got Eddie. Eddie won't know. So, you know, the thing goes. Big up to yourself. Blessed love. Love them all. Dream team, one team. Our real team. Blessed to all my extended family. Blessed love.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.